Hi guys, that's a very quick unboxing and review of the Gerber EAB pocket knife. In my opinion, this is one of the best utility knives. I have this one that I got from Home Depot for, I don't know, close to 10 bucks. So I bought the second one from Gerber and I decided to give you a quick view and quick unboxing. Comes in a clamshell packaging right there. Remove the protector. Be careful because it comes with lifetime warranty. Alright, descriptions. Basically what retains the edge is this screw, and the best thing about it is that compared to other utility knives, with this one you get almost 1.5 inches of open blade. There it is. More than 1.5 inches of open blade. No other utility knife does that. Very good grip. You can support it here. You can flip it anytime you want. It has a very small profile. Like I have this and this. That's a very small profile, pretty much like money clip. It just gets lost in your pocket, and at the same time, once you need it, it is right there, exposing a huge blade for a utility knife. Very good support, very well thought, good retention clip, quick deployment. So I believe this is a very good utility knife. Definitely worth the money. I got this for, I believe, less than $5 from Gerber. It was on sale on their own website. There it is. Gerber EAB pocket knife. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.